Hello guys, I am Mukshid Bhai. I come Facebook live today. Good morning, all. Come to the point. Now I go working site. Working have today office open. I go working finish then come my home. English is English speaking. Many try. Many try. All men try. All men not lazy and fast study and fast uh, English speaking try. Every day try then okay. English okay. Easily water. This English water. Okay na? English water easily. No problem, no hard. Your confidence need. I have confidence, but you need confidence. I know you study but you not english well but not listen. Why you not listen? You listen every day English. Try. Okay na? Okay. Confidence need, very confidence need, then little confidence okay, but uh, you need very confidence. Okay na? Try every day. Try. No slow. Fast study, fast running, fast going, fast English speaking every day. Little little, big, one day successful. You understand? I believe. Little today, little English. Okay. Today little, after little, next day, after next little, uh, little, Thursday, uh, uh, 30 day finish. 1 month 30 what meaning finish. Next day 30 what meaning finish. Total 2 month, total uh, 60 what meaning. Okay. Little what, uh, many what language everyday practice. Okay na? Bye.